How to use quick login on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use the quick login on Roblox. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. So now let's get started. So you can see that I'm currently logged in my Roblox account. So if you're trying to log in from your phone using your computer and your computer is already logged in, you need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of this screen and then select Quick Sign In. Once you tap on it, this will take you to a page where you can enter the code. Whether you're on the phone or computer, you will see a code displayed and enter the code on the device where you want to log in. Once you have entered the code, tap or click on Enter, and then you will need to confirm your login. It will show your location and you will be automatically logged in. Remember that never enter a random code from Quick Login into your account. This will give someone else access to your Roblox account, and only use codes you generated yourself to protect your account. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.